sir.
Thank you. Good morning, everybody. This is day 3 of our cruise on the Allure of the Seas, and I think I'll turn that way so you can see me better. And today we're in Cozumel, Mexico. Yesterday was a day at sea. We didn't do much filming yesterday. Basically, I don't know what I really did. Did some workouts, some eating, some more eating. Lunch we had at Johnny Rockets. And yesterday evening was formal night, so we put on our good stuff, our tuxedos, but we didn't mind vlogging because it's kind of awkward when you do it in a restaurant with people around and stuff like that. So yeah, today we have arrived in Cozumel, Mexico, and it's now, what time is it? It's now 9 o'clock, so the ship docked about an hour ago. I got in a workout already. I arrived at the gym at, I think, 7:30. We are docked in Cozumel, Mexico, as I mentioned, and yeah, this is the current view from our stateroom. So this is Celebrity Infinity docked next to us. Today we have planned and booked a shore excursion, an ATV tour, which we're very excited about because we never did that kind of stuff before.
Hello, sir.
Thank you.
You're together? You're together, sir? You're together?
Yes.
So we're all checked in for our excursion. We had to sign a huge waiver, basically signing away every human right we have, I think. Yeah, so now we got these little wristbands and gonna wait in the shade for our excursion to start in a few minutes. ATV tour was really something. It was real fun, and now we're at the beach, as I said. So it looks nice, but actually we decided against really going into the water deep because it smelled like sewage water. There's probably somewhere where they do get rid of their sewage water around here, so we decided against that. Good morning, everyone. We made it to the port of Routan this morning. Just a few minutes ago the ship docked, and that's our current view. So as of now there's no clear blue skies, there's just some light cloudy, and I hope it's gonna clear up a little bit because we got snorkel excursion planned, and it's always only half fun when there's clouds darkening the water, so I hope it's going to clear up a little bit. Okay, this is the place where we're gonna get on the boat, and then we'll be taken out to 3 snorkeling spots, I guess. One is, I think, called Starfish Alley, and the other 2 I forgot, so weather isn't ideal, I guess. There's a lot of dark clouds. For now the sun is shining, so let's hope for the best.